Hi everyone, and welcome to your 5-minute core workout. I have a lot of different core workouts on this YouTube channel, a playlist dedicated to core, a 7-day core crusher series. I have the Take 5, which is all 31 days of January, which you can do anytime. And then Holiday Hustle, which was closing out the year in December, which of course you can do anytime as well. But here's a quick 5 minutes of core for you to add to your workout, to get yourself moving, or whatever this may be. Let's start on our forearms in forearm plank. We'll go in 3, 2, 1. Bring both your forearms down to the mat, slide back, lift up through your belly, and just start shifting your chest forward and back. So this is called jigsaw. So you want to draw a nice strong line right through the center of your workout mat. And really, really feel the engagement. Good. So you might have showed up here already a little sore, so you'll feel this immediately. Or maybe you're feeling good, you're feeling fiery, and you wish this was 20 minutes long. Don't worry, I have that video on there too. Exhale, drop the belly. So you're gonna come into Sphinx pose for a hot second for me. Forearms are down, press in the top of your feet. Inhale, lift up. Good, exhale, Sphinx, yes. This one's tough, 4 more. Pick up your butt, put down your butt, pick up your butt, put down your butt. We got 2 more reps, okay? Pick up your butt. Use the strength in your legs. Last one, pick it up and lower down. Good. Go ahead and make that quick flip right here over onto your back. Nice. Laying down onto your back, exhale, bring your knees at 90 degrees. We're gonna twist to the right, to the left, and then pulse twice to the right. Good, now twist left, right. Now pulse twice to the left. 1, 2. It's right, left, twice on the right. Pulse, pulse, left, right. 2 pulses left. 1, 2. Good. Right, left. Last time. 2 pulses. Left, right. Here we go. 2 pulses. Nice. Exhale, plant your feet. Crunch up. Good. Crunch up. 7, 6, 5, legs in the air in 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale your hands by your sides, both legs rise. Open your legs wide, draw a big circle down, bring them together, bring them back up. Good, open, circle down, bring them together, bring them back up. This should feel really tough. Open, close, circle. Last 2, open, close the circle, bring it back up. Last rep, open, close the circle, bring them back up. Opposite hand of foot, reach, reach. Good, reach, reach. You're over halfway. Keep moving with me. Again, maybe you're sore, so you're just trying to push through these 5. Maybe you're trying to incorporate more core into your day. So you're taking these quick breaks to do 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, which also is great. Or maybe you're pairing with your workout. Keep it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands under the booty. Good. Exhale, lower the legs. Pick up your head, scissor your feet. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Head comes down, legs come up. Good. Give me 5 leg lifts. Lower, lift. 1, lower, lift. 2. If you need to, bend your knees. Lower, lift. Last 2 reps. Lower. Yes, you can. Lift. Last rep. Lower. Good. And lift. Knees bent at 90. Hands behind your head. Going right back to those bicycles. Left side, right side. Good. Feel your work left to right here. 8, 7, 6 with a smile on your face, right? 4, 3, 2. 1 more each side. 1, 1. Hands by your side. Reverse crunch. Lower. Notice my knees are bent. Very limited movement here in terms of rocking. I'm working hard to reverse crunch, meaning scoop my belly and then lift up through my tailbone. Pick it up. Good, pick it up. Stay with me here. You have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands under butt to finish. Legs in the air. Lower them down. Pick up your head. Scissor. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Head comes down. Legs come up, 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 up. Hug them into your chest, guys. You did it. Rock a little side to side. Nice work. A quick yoga flow is a great way to stretch out your abs if they're sore. But really nice work. Hope you feel good. Feel free to share the video, comment, let me know how you feel, and thanks for working out with me.